Hi everyone, welcome to ecomback.com. Today we are going to teach you that how you can add discount codes in Shopify. It's very easy and I think most of you already know that, but it's for people that who need to understand that are new users. So let's click on discounts, and when you click on discounts you will come to this page. There are two kind of discounts: automatic discounts, and you can manually basically create discounts. So let's create the normal discount. Okay, so we'll say that discount code or automatic discounts. Let's say discount code. Here you will get four options. First, you can type any discount like free 20, and if you want to give the percentage, you can say 20% off on all other products or collections. So that's your option, that I'm going to do that on all products. And you can say, okay, minimum spending should be $100 if they want to get 20% discount, or you can select, okay, you have to like do 3 products minimum to get a discount. So that's entirely your choice. So we say like $100 on that, and if it's eligible for every customer, specific customers, or specific group of customers, that's your choice. Also you can use limit the usage as well. So we will do that, limit to 1 user per customer, so we can use that. So that's how you can set up the percentage discount. There is a fixed discount. We click that, we say okay, the value should be $100, right? And it has to be discount is $10 discount, for example. So if somebody buy the $100 product, it will get $10 discount. That will be 10% for that. So same things, you can enable the date, like what date you enable that, or you want to set end date. So that's entirely on you, that how you want to set that up. The third discount is free shipping. So you can have this discount name like free shipping, free yes, and you can select to what country you want to select. I just want to use that in United States of US. So and you can do the shipping rates, exclude, and minimum requirements. If it's selling you $100, if you spend $100, you're gonna get free shipping on that. So that's how you can set up the free shipping. And the fourth one is buy X and get Y free. So that's that's a good one. Basically most people like that and want to use that. So it can be used on quantity, it can be used on purchase amount. So for example, if it's on quantity, for example, I say okay, you buy 2 specific collection of specific products, you need to choose the products from here. Okay, and you're gonna get one of these products free. For example, if you're buying a shirt and a hat, you're gonna get trouser free, or you're gonna pants, jeans and shirt, you're gonna get cap free. So that's what you can do. Okay, and it can be free, it can be percentage. So that's entirely on you, that how you want to select that. And again, usage limit, eligibility criteria, that's entirely up on you. Then other one is minimum purchase amount. For example, if you spend $100 on specific products, right, you can get 1 product free. So that's again on percentage, and it's on free as well. So that's how you can set up the manual discounts. Now let's go to the automatic discounts. So click on automatic discounts and click on create automatic discount. That discount will apply. That customer don't need to add any kind of coupon code. Once they reach to a certain level, they will automatically get a discount. For example, the percentage discount is 10% discount applies on all products if the customer's shopping cart reaches to $200. And same thing applies with the fixed discount and buy X get Y free discount. So pretty much the system is same, but in the first option, customer need to basically add a coupon code. So you can use that for your email marketing, for your campaigns, for your Facebook ads, for your Google ads. You can use the coupon code and you can get this discount. But this discount is both discounts are good, but most people go for the manual discount because you have more chance to sell your products. So hopefully that video will help you guys, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to email us at sales@ecomback.com, or you can visit our website ecomback.com and call our support as well. Thank you very much.